Hello students, good morning. We shall study today CIVICS of class 6. Topic is diversity. Diversity means differences between people on the basis of language, religion, food, clothes, dance and music, and family diversity is also on the part of diversity. It means that there is difference in languages. As you know that India has many languages, almost 1682 languages are there in our country, and you also know that there are 22 languages which are enlisted in our constitution. Now we have also religious diversity. Religious diversity means there are so many religions in our country. Almost all the major religions of the world are practiced in India, like Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, etc. Now we shall discuss occupational diversity. You know that India has many physical features, like you see in the north the Himalayan mountain, the Himalayas. So people in the mountainous regions follow animal rearing. It means that due to lack of fertility of soil, they follow animal husbandry like sheep, goat, yak are tamed there, and you also see that people there are in climatically cold in Ladakh, you know. Now we shall discuss there is diversity in food and clothes. We people of India eat differently. You see in coastal areas like Bengal, Maharashtra, people like to eat fish and rice because fishing is the main occupation in these states. Now there is also differences in clothes, dresses. People in Punjab wear different clothes, in Bihar, in Rajasthan, due to hot weather. Rajasthan people wear thick cloths like coarse cloths, cotton. So we see that there are differences in clothes. You go to Jammu and Kashmir, there is cold climate, especially in Ladakh. You have to wear woolen clothes there. At the same time, if you go to Kerala in South India, you face climate like hot. You have to wear cotton cloths. Again, you see that there are many differences in dance forms and music. You know that India has different states and they have different dance forms also. You see in Karnataka different dance forms, Kerala, Bharatanatyam, Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi, Assam, Bihu, and UP, Kathakali. So you see that there are many dance forms in our country. Also there is difference in music. You have many music in India like Carnatic music, Hindustani music, and European music. Now we have also differences in family structures. We Indians have two types of families, joint family and nuclear family. Joint family in which there is grandparents, uncles, aunts, and also parents like and other children also. But in nuclear family only parents, children exist there. So we have the causes of diversity. First, historical causes, and second is geographical causes. Historical causes is that intermixing of food, dress, culture, language is historical causes of diversity, because you know that there is intermixing of food. We see that potatoes, chilies have come from distant lands, from other countries of the world. We also wear now jeans. We also wear pant shirt. Traditionally we were wearing dhoti and kurta. Now due to Western culture we have different dress forms also. We have also different cultures, because you see that when Muslim came to India, we see that Islam came to India and our culture changed. Now there is a Hindu and Muslim culture. It is known as Indian culture today. So we see that also geographical diversity, because you know that in India, in the north, the Himalayas, they are protecting us from the foreign invasions and also from the cold weather position from the Central Asia, Siberia. They may frozen our country, but it is the Himalayas which protect us. It is geographical causes. And you also see that in the south there is 3 sides oceans. In the south, Indian Ocean; in the east, Bay of Bengal; and the west, Arabian Sea. These are the oceans which in early days, in ancient times, no one could reach India easily. Now there is unity in diversity. You know that our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru told this term, unity in diversity, for the first time. They told that there is unity in our country. You see that during the struggle for freedom, the British tried to divide our society. They followed the policy of divide and rule. But it is the unity in our people that made us victorious in the freedom struggle. Again, you see that there is unity in diversity in 4 forms. First, geographical unity. I have told you that India has been a single unit from ancient times, and this is the geographical unity of India, because you see that India is from the north bounded by mountains. In the south, east and west, they are bounded by the oceans. These are the geographical unity of our country. Now, political unity of our country is due to ancient times. You see that there were many Maharajas. They wanted to conquer the whole of India, although they did not succeed in conquering the South Indian provinces, but they still tried to conquer the whole of India. At last, you know that during British time, the India was united, because it was the British who made India united by framing same law, Indian Penal Code, same law for the whole country. It was the political unity of our country. Today we see that our present government, Indian government, after independence, is establishing political unity of our country on the basis of our constitution. Now we have cultural unity also. You know that there are many cultures in India due to foreign people coming in our country. You see that in medieval times there were many people like Muslims came to India, and India is not diverse in culture. The British came here, they settled here, although Muslims settled here like Mughals, but Britishers never thought to be the people of India. They always treated India foreign land. They became also foreigners here. But it is our cultural unity that mixed other cultures in our Indian culture. Now we have religious unity. You know that India is the land of religions. There are many religions of the world. I have already told you that Jainism, Buddhism, Christianity, Islam, Zoroastrianism, all religions of the world are found here. But India government has followed the policy of secularism. We believe in secularism from ancient times. India has been a secular country because our Rajas and Maharajas follow religious tolerance from ancient times. Today our government, Indian government, is practicing also religious tolerance. All religions are welcomed open-hearted, and all religions are equal here. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion at all. We see that all festivals like Hindu and like Dasahara and others, you see Guru Parv and Christmas, all celebrated with mutual benefits. Thank you. For the next period.